Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford Explorer and I will show you how to connect or pair your Bluetooth phone. This video should apply to 6th generation of Ford Explorers made from 2020 all the way up to 2027 or possibly even newer. Also, I want to add, there was a facelift in 2024, so this main dashboard screen may look a bit different on older models, but I'm pretty sure the process to connect the phone will be completely the same or very similar. And also, if you like this video, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now so I have a second phone right here which I will use to demonstrate how to pair it. Now on the main screen you want to press add phone in the upper right corner and this will get you to Bluetooth menu. Now I have one phone paired already. Now to pair the other one you just want to press add device in the upper right corner, and once that is done you want to go to the phone. Okay, unlock it first I guess. And then you want to actually enable the Bluetooth on it. Okay, turn it on. Now it's gonna scan for available Bluetooth devices. And you can see here on the screen, this is the phone I just enabled the Bluetooth S24 Ultra. And even here under available devices, Ford Explorer. So I'll press that. It says pairing, and here I will press that as well. And there is a question, pair with S24, code 250759, and code on the phone as well, 250759. You want to press pair on the phone, and you want to press pair on the screen as well. And this one will take a couple of seconds. It says connecting. And connected. Now you can use your phone to make phone calls, listen to the music and things like that. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.